In front of me is VIVO iQOO Neo 7, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to click on Apps. Now hit the Default Apps here and tap on one of those sections you wish to manage, like Browser app. Now click on the one you wish to apply, and when you're ready, select Change in the pop-up to confirm your choice. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!